This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It features a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Features include cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a rear parking aid, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, traction control, and a power driver seat. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Thank you for shopping at Price LeBlanc Toyota Scion, conveniently located at 13200 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Please contact our internet department at 888-776-2993 for special internet-only pricing. Come by and see us today, darling.